Welcome to Business News Essay. Today we take a look at how to make money using Facebook. Facebook stands out as one of the most popular and influential platforms. While it's primarily a platform for connecting with friends and family, it also offers numerous opportunities to make money. In this blog post, we'll explore various ways you can leverage Facebook to generate income. 1. Facebook Marketplace and Buy/Sell Groups. Facebook Marketplace allows you to sell items locally, making it an excellent platform for decluttering your home and making extra cash. Additionally, there are various buy/sell groups on Facebook where you can list items you want to sell. Tips: take clear photos of your items. Write detailed descriptions. Price your items competitively. 2. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or website, you can use Facebook to promote affiliate products and earn commissions. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche, share your affiliate links on Facebook, and encourage your followers to make purchases. Tips: create engaging, informative posts about the products. Disclose your affiliate relationships. 3. Facebook ads and sponsored content. If you have a sizable following on Facebook, you can monetize your page through sponsored content and Facebook ads. Companies may pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Tips: maintain an engaged and niche-specific audience. Clearly define your audience demographics. 4. Freelancing and services. Facebook can be a platform for promoting your freelancing services, such as graphic design, writing, or consulting. You can join relevant groups or create a business page to showcase your expertise. Tips: share your portfolio and client testimonials. Engage in discussions and provide value to potential clients. 5. Online coaching or consultations. If you possess expertise in a specific field, consider offering online coaching or consultations through Facebook. You can schedule sessions and charge for your time and knowledge. Tips: clearly outline your services and rates. Use Facebook Messenger or other communication tools for appointments. 6. Create and sell Facebook groups or pages. If you've built a highly engaged Facebook group or page with a large following, you can sell it to individuals or businesses looking to tap into your audience. Tips: build a dedicated and niche-specific following. Understand the value of your group or page. 7. E-commerce via Facebook Shops. With the introduction of Facebook Shops, you can set up your online store within Facebook. It's an excellent way to sell products directly to your audience. Tips: optimize your shop with appealing visuals and product descriptions. Integrate secure payment options. 8. Online events and webinars. Host online events, webinars, or workshops on Facebook Live and charge an entry fee. Share valuable information and knowledge in your area of expertise. Tips: promote your event well in advance. Interact with attendees during the event. Facebook offers a multitude of ways to make money, but it's essential to approach these opportunities with dedication, authenticity, and respect for your audience. Building trust is crucial in generating income through Facebook. Remember that success may not come overnight, but with perseverance and the right strategy, you can unlock the earning potential this platform has to offer. So, go ahead, explore the possibilities, and turn your Facebook presence into a source of income. Thanks for watching. That is all for today.